1,400 worth of cash na ang bumalik sa akin from my online purchases. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching! So what is SHOPBACK? SHOPBACK is a cashback reward program available across the Asia Pacific. It allows online shoppers to take a portion of their cash back when they make a purchase through the online platform. Here's how to earn your cash back. First, you have to download the SHOPBACK app from the Apple Store or sa Google Play. Once na-downloaded mo na siya, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Just make sure na meron kang app din on your phone sa LAZADA, SHOPPEE, or any online shops na available. And then from the app, pwede ka nang mag-order online. Just always make sure na SHOPBACK muna yung i-click mo bago ka pumunta sa mga online shops na gusto mong pag-orderan. As you can see, sa loob ng SHOPBACK app, maraming mga online stores na available like Forever 21, Klook, LAZADA, SHOPPEE, at marami pang iba. Dito sa SHOPBACK app ko, makikita mo yung mga frequently visited sites like LAZADA, Booking.com, and SEPHORA. SHOPBACK will also notify you kung meron ka ng cashback on your app. Just click on the cashback button. Once kinlik mo yung cashback button, makikita mo yung mga redeemable amounts mo like from Klook Cashback, LAZADA, Booking.com. Ayan, makikita mo dyan yung mga pera na pwedeng pumasok sa'yo at yung mga pending at redeemable amount na makakredit sa'yo. You can also share your invitation link to your friends. And when your friends sign up and make their first purchases, meron ka na agad 100 pesos from cashback. If you want to withdraw your available balance, you can either use bank transfer or e-wallet transfer. Bank transfer usually takes about 3 to 5 working days. You can use either BPI, BDO, Metro Bank, or PNB. Kung ano man banka meron ka, pwede nilang i-transfer yung available balance mo. So maraming accredited banks na pwede mong i-bank transfer yung available balance mo from SHOPBACK. Ang minimum required amount is 200 pesos for withdrawal amount. So how do you use SHOPBACK? So click mo yung SHOPBACK app, and then pag nag-open siya, click on only on LAZADA app. Once na-click mo na siya, mag-open siya at i-direct ka niya sa LAZADA app. As much as 9% ang pwede mong ma-cashback sa LAZADA app. Just make sure to read the do's and don'ts. Once na na-click mo na ang LAZADA app, pwede ka na mag-online purchases. Just make sure to return to SHOPBACK and click through to LAZADA every time you make a purchase para makakuha ka ng cashback. For example, once may napili ka ng item, add to cart, and then check out. After a few days, SHOPBACK will notify you of the cashback that are tracked. So I hope this video will help you to earn your cashback from your online purchases. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, magkakaroon ng marami na namang year-end sale. So happy shopping everyone!